Hello, this is Grumpy Tosh, and I want to introduce you to my animal parlour. Get ready for Christmas. Get all my animals all sorted out. Very important is you need the rampant rabbit and his batteries, Mr. Piggy on hand to offer advice, and of course Mr. and Mrs. and Miss Twin Cows, and Tosh's grooming parlour. And we're going to start with Bocky. Now, Bocky's been outside for a while, so I've had to get him inside, and I've put new batteries in him, so he's going to spark. Oh, look at that, he's sparked up nicely. And part of the service, which you're all welcome to come and use, I am going to give Bocky a spring clean. And goes like that. Here we go. Clean little Bocky. Yes, 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 yes. And Merry Christmas possibly to some of you. There we go. And get that sorted out as well. There we go. Lovely jubbly.